Today, I'm here to introduce an electric stacker truck to you all. I hope you'll like it. You can easily turn it. Then the power will be turned on and you can check the battery level. This is another switch on it. By controlling this, you can make the stacker truck move forward or backward. Its lifting is controlled by this. The core is driven by a battery, which improves work efficiency and reduces work intensity. The electric stacker features noiseless operation, energy conservation, environmental protection, and low cost. It is the most suitable handling tool for the modern logistics industry. This is the horn. Finally, let's take a look at it as a whole. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact us via private message.